Now, it's the election season in Maharashtra and no side is willing to pull back any punches. Leader of the opposition, Rahul Gandhi, was in the state where he unveiled the statue of Shivaji Maharaj in Kolhapur, and while addressing a public gathering, he stirred a controversy, attacking the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Rahul Gandhi said that there is no point of bowing before Shivaji Maharaj after scaring people, destroying the constitution and institutions in the country. He went on to say that the statue collapse exposed the BJP's flawed political ideology, which led to the statue collapse. He went on to say that the Congress follows the principles of the constitution, which are in alignment with the ideology that Shivaji Maharaj upheld. Unlike the BJP's hypocrisy of undermining the constitution and the institutions while bowing before Shivaji Maharaj.
अब हिंदुस्तान में दो विचारधाराओं की लड़ाई है। एक विचारधारा जो इसकी रक्षा करती है, समानता की बात करती है, एकता की बात करती है, और वो शिवाजी महाराज की विचारधारा है। और दूसरी विचारधारा जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को, संविधान को खत्म करने में लगी हुई है। सुबह उठते हैं और प्लानिंग करते हैं कि भैया शिवाजी महाराज का जो विचारधारा का कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है उसे खत्म कैसे किया जाए। हिंदुस्तान की संस्थाओं पर आक्रमण करते हैं, लोगों को डराते हैं, धमकाते हैं और फिर जाकर शिवाजी महाराज की मूर्ति के सामने मत्था टेकते हैं।
Run up to the state elections 2024, lots is happening in the state of Maharashtra today. Today, Rahul Gandhi is in Kolhapur, PM Modi is in Washim, and then later he will be coming in Thane and later in BKC to inaugurate a metro. But lots is happening. Now we have heard the statement which has been given by Rahul Gandhi. What he is saying that the narrative which has been built by the BJP government, it goes completely against the constitution, and the constitution, its importance and its ideologies and the points which are mentioned in it are the same as the ideologies which were stated by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj in his times. Rahul Gandhi has importantly said the fact that the new age translation of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's ideology is the constitution, and we are here to safeguard the constitution, and the BJP government is time and again, day and night, is only working towards ending the constitution, finishing off the constitution in the country. And that are the remarks which has been given by Rahul Gandhi. The entire politics in the state of Maharashtra is revolving around Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, is what you can understand. Earlier, the statue collapsed in Sindhudurg, and it went completely against the Mahayuti government in the state of Maharashtra. However, the tenders were floated earlier, but of course that has, given a backseat to the state government in the upcoming elections. And now Rahul Gandhi has inaugurated a statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj in Kolhapur, and mentioning the fact that the people of Maharashtra loves Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. They believe in the ideologies of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, and that's why we are confident enough about the upcoming elections. So of course a lot is happening today in the state of Maharashtra. We have to see what PM Modi will be saying in his speech when he will be talking to the people.